Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to teach you circular motion. Here is basic concept in circular motion, angular displacement. The angle described by radius vector in given time at the center of circle. इसका मतलब क्या है? एंगुलर डिस्प्लेसमेंट मीन्स यहाँ पे रेडियस वेक्टर क्या है? OA in a given time. Suppose that time is t. So A is the initial position of the radius vector. After that it goes to B. So what will be angular displacement? Angular displacement in this case is theta. Angle described by radius vector at center of circle. After that angular velocity. Omega is equal to d theta by dt. Similarly, we have learned about velocity. It is linear velocity. So velocity is equal to ds by dt. Change in displacement upon change in time, that is velocity. So in this case angular velocity omega is equal to theta by t. So theta is measured in radian. So radian per second. Theta is equal to arc length upon radius. Arc length is s upon radius vector is OA and value of that OA is r. So s is equal to r into theta and the unit of theta is radian. We learn about angular velocity. Angular velocity is d theta by dt. Similarly, velocity we learned ds by dt. So in this case omega means angular velocity is equal to theta by t radian per second, because we know unit of theta is radian. So radian per second. Angular acceleration is alpha. So average angular acceleration is omega minus omega naught upon t minus t naught. So similarly in linear we have learned average acceleration. And what is that average acceleration? V minus u by t. So v is final velocity and u is initial velocity. So a is equal to v minus u by t. The unit of angular acceleration is radian per second, that is unit of omega, and unit of time is second. अल्फा का यूनिट होता है d ओमेगा बाय dt, दैट इज रेडियन पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. अभी रिलेशन बिटवीन लीनियर एंड एंगुलर वेलोसिटी क्या है? लीनियर वेलोसिटी हमने देखी v होती है वो इज इक्वल टू r इंटू ओमेगा. दिस इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन लीनियर एंड एंगुलर वेलोसिटी. And v is equal to r cross omega. In vector form we have written this, and here is the diagram. When we switch on our fan, then suppose blades of fan is at A. So the blade of fan is revolved till B position and our fan is just switched on. So the angular velocity of blades of fan is continuously increasing. So the direction of omega, that is velocity, angular velocity की डायरेक्शन क्या होगी? अपर साइड होगी. और omega is increasing with respect to time. So omega at time t is greater than omega initial, because initially the fan is not on. Now हमने स्विच ऑन किया है फैन को, तो ओमेगा टी क्या हो रहा है? इंक्रीज हो रहा है, जिसके वजह से क्या होगा? इंक्रीज एंगुलर एक्सेलरेशन. सो एंगुलर एक्सेलरेशन वेक्टर इज इन द सेम डायरेक्शन. जहां पे ओमेगा है ना, वहीं पे एंगुलर एक्सेलरेशन भी आएगा, क्योंकि ओमेगा इज इंक्रीजिंग, सो अल्फा इज आल्सो इंक्रीजिंग. व्हेन वी स्विच ऑफ आवर फैन, what happens? Omega is decreasing, but the alpha is now retarding. रिटार्डेशन हो रहा है, तो अल्फा का साइन क्या होगा वेक्टर का? वो ओमेगा के बिल्कुल अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में होगा. जैसे कि यहाँ पे ओमेगा के अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में अल्फा है. सो दिस इज द कंसेप्ट विच वी अप्लाई इन आवर डे टू डे लाइफ. So that's all for this video.